What's happening, YouTube? Chris back with you from the Patriot RC. I was putting these bead locks together, and I'm putting these super swampers with the original OG foams that they came with, which is super thick Proline foams. It's just the memory foam, but it is hard to stuff them in this tire and get them assembled. It is actually a pain in the ass. These are 5-piece bead lock rings I'm doing here, or bead locks I'm doing. So what we got here, I went out to the garage. It's like, there's got to be an easier way. I've seen them on Amazon, beadlock assembly tools you can do. I made this in about 2 minutes tops. This is just some spare aluminum. You can use a piece of wood. You can use whatever you want to go across to compress. There's still room to compress. I can make it tighter if I wanted to. But this is just some aluminum channel that I have. Just some scrap. I hoard weird shit like that, and it came in handy. What you see here in the middle is actually a wall anchor for hanging pictures and stuff like that. Just drill a hole in it, open up the butterfly on the side. It was a little too thick to put it the other way, so I flipped it over. And you just tighten it down with the Phillips screw. Plain and simple. You're trying to look through the camera and do that. So you can make it tighter and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. You can see the tire compressing. And it'll pull in your bead lock, and you can get a couple of these screws started, because with this thick ass foam, that's what's inside. This tire here. The other ones here, you see the yellow on the sides, I've indented those. They have weights in them as well, so I've not indented, I've marked them to indicate they're the front wheels because they have weight. The back wheels do not. But yeah, this thick ass foam is inside this little bitty tire, and it makes it a bear to put together. So save yourself some headache and spend a few minutes getting creative. There's always an easier way if you apply yourself, and that is my little hack to assembling some bead locks. I did chip the paint. I'm a little pissed about that. Trying to get these assembled earlier, I was trying to force it down on something and squeeze it before I came up with this idea. So I will mend the paint there and fix it. But yeah, so I think they turned out good. They're originally green, as you can see in the paint. And this is the metal flake copper they came out as. So, and these are non-vented, but still very, very squishy with that much foam inside. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you soon.